Hello guys, so I'm back again. So I'm gonna show you a video about ambrosia, ambrosia and landslide and grid. They are very powerful. So I'll show you some attack. So Brill, he get ambrosia at level 145. So take a look at Brill. So Brill is on rank 130, I think. So take a look his base. So this is so look his crisis and landslide. They are very highly to get Capricorn. But his landslide, look at the HP, 469,564. This is insane, ridiculous, very slow. Let's go ahead and take a look about what did he do to my base. So I feel sorry for my base because of this. Look at. So take a look guys, how his hero and this ambrosia look is divine. Look at this. Look. And instant 1 minute maybe. Look at. They destroy everything and look at this. It's like I don't know what happened. It's like somebody drop a bomb and when it explode it's coming like this. So look at this. So this is what how ambrosia can do, but the problem is he didn't kill all my hero, that's why he get only 96%. So this is crazy. Look at this. I feel sorry about my base. And other guy is pick dragon, so he get 1 star probably. So let's watch this. He use great chase also ambrosia and I think Pangoli or anything. So look at this. Ambrosia and great chase is very slow. He keep hitting and hitting. Look at this. Look, it's divine. His divine is very colorful and strong. But no, what? In 1 shot, they almost broke my wall at level 7 or something. This level is Iowa. So because this will happen because my poor victory statue is ongoing. They're on upbeat, so let's fast forward. So That's it. So look at, I lost too many trophies because when my victory status on upgrade, and there's too many attacking. Look at 44 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, 3 hours. So, and more before from 3 hours, maybe I get 10 people attack. So very stressful when you up this level. So if you don't have strong base, everybody will. And look guys, nerds. He managed to get 3 star from this kind of hero. I can understand, but this hero is not it's not it's not a joke. Look at this. He get Divine Tree, Saparexens, Hydra. And also my hero can fight back because only 2 range hero I have, so the other 3 hero can attack this. Look at this Hydra. And this Savarix Divine is very strong. Look at the slow down my base defense. And look at it. And he is very smart. Look at it. He put Bershades aid to his flying unit, so this clones keep attacking and look at this. They are keep coming and coming. This is, as you guys see, air unit is very destructive. If you have very strong air unit like this, you can destroy every base. So take a look. My hero can fight back from him, and also mortars can attack him. Cannon and his Hydra is very strong. So if you want to make a lineup like this, it's not bad at all. Look at this. They get 3 star from me very easily. So that's it. So thank you for watching, guys. This is how Ambrosia is very rare and powerful hero. IGG get crazy. They are keep releasing a new hero that is too much for us. Overpowered hero. Very stressful. So thanks you for watching, guys. Next time again.